One of the hardest materials to render physically accurate and in reasonable amounts of time are refractive materials, dielectrics, transparent materials with index of refraction. And the problem gets even harder when these materials interact. So, for example, imagine a glass. And in the glass we have liquid, and in the liquid we have some ice, and in the ice we have some bubbles, and so forth. And that creates a level of complexity that, unless you know the proper way of doing it, you will end up having very slow renders with a lot of artifacts or not looking very physically accurate. Now, there is a method called nested dielectrics where both redshift and standard and physical render use, and I think the majority of renderers out there use this method in different permutations. And what we're going to do in this mini-series is, first of all, I'm going to explain how a ray travels between mediums and what you need to do to make this transition from one medium to another work properly with the renderer, with whatever advantages and disadvantages that comes with. And then I'm going to show you some common errors that users do when they're setting up dielectrics, and I'm going to show you what happens when they're not set up properly. And the final video, we are actually going to model and texture glass. And this is the beginning of more series that will deal with refractions and how to add that detail, that final perfection to your images if you're doing any kind of packaging that involves glass, perfume, alcoholic beverages, water, and so forth. So I hope that this series will get you started, and yeah, see you in the next video.